Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you've all been doing well. Hope you're all getting over cabin fever and getting ready to get outside again. It's finally March. Spring is just around the corner. Hopefully Maine won't dump any more snow on us and we'll be back on the trails soon. But today I've got a quick install again for the Tacoma. And this install is it's an easy install. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you've all been doing well. Hope you're hanging in there. Winter's almost over. We're finally into March and the snow is starting to melt. I've got another quick, easy install for you guys today. This one is from Mid-Atlantic Off-Roading Company. If you haven't checked them out, go follow the link in the description. Newer company, providing high quality parts at very affordable rates. Use WICKEDOVERLAND in your checkout and save yourself some cash. All that's going to be linked in the description below. I'm installing a set of Mid-Atlantic Off-Roading side marker blinkers, if I said that correctly. I picked these up for super cheap. You'd be blown away how cheap they are regularly. Use my discount, save a little bit. But mine have started to show some wear. They're getting a little bit of moisture in them. They're not very bright, and it's really the last bit of chrome on my truck I gotta get rid of. I don't like chrome. Hate it. I actually hate the little bit of chrome in my light bar in the center. I'll show you. That little bit of chrome in the two center white lights bothers me. I don't like it. But I gotta deal with it. I can do something about the side marker blinkers. Anyway, we're gonna replace them real easy. Need one tool, two tools. Need two tools. You need a pry bar if you've got it, a little plastic panel popper, and a screwdriver. And they're plug and play. The new ones I have are blacked out. They're pretty sleek looking. They're sequential, so it's going to be a little bit different of a pattern, which I like. And yeah, I'm excited to get these in. Alright guys, so you need one of these plastic tools or your finger, or be really skilled with a screwdriver, but I recommend these plastic tools so you don't scratch your paint. You're going to put this in between the little lip between the black bezel of your mirror and the color piece. Now if you have black on black, there's a little bevel that runs around. That's where this goes. It doesn't take much to pop them, it just clips that hold this whole thing in. Just so you can see, all it's taken me is to really get into there. It's this black piece here separating from this outer piece here. Just clips all the way around. Be gentle and you'll get it. There we go. There we have it. Pops off. It's just a couple clips. Just gotta be gentle and take your time with it. I did just find that my corner here is cracked, but that's probably because I've had a bunch of trees go through my mirrors off-roading and I've probably put some stress on them. So the second thing we need to do is take out this screw here. Okay, we gotta take this screw here out and this whole piece comes out, and then these wires here. There's one wire, if you follow the wire down, it just plugs into the back. Don't lose those. So right behind these two wires, there's a little bit of there's two clips. Push them in, the whole thing pops out. Okay. You may not need to take this inner screw out, but I found that it gives you a little bit more room to pry this out. There's a clip down here. It doesn't need to come off. This whole thing does come out with clips, but I got it out. As you can see, there's a Little clip, it's push, pull it out. You just removed your ugly chrome one. Replace it with a new one. New one. Reverse the steps. Little clip goes on top. Flips in. Feed that. Behind. Make sure everything's roughly lined up. Put your clips on the top back in. Feed your wires back around. There's a little like fish hook that they like to fit in. There's one. There's two. That holds them in place. Okay, that's in place. Everything's this nice snug fit. Find those screws I told you not to lose. Put them back in. At this point, it's all the way back in. All my clips are back in. I'm going to test these out before I put the outer cover back on. We'll give these a quick test. Alright, this side's done. We're going to repeat it on the other side. Alright guys, we're back on the passenger side. Same exact thing applies. Yes, it's safe to do this. Get your pry tool in between this bevel. Pop this outer cover back off. Doesn't help when you drop it. No scratches, we got lucky. But that's why it takes a little bit of finesse. I'm not sure which clip is holding it on. They're all there. That's a good thing. Again, 2 screws and 1 clip. Two clips to come out. They're probably the trickiest 2 clips to get. Alright, well, this side my battery died. Same process applies. Same process applies to this side as the other side. Pop this housing off, loosen the screw, take it out, undo your wires, put it back in, make sure you have a nice clean fit. Battery died, didn't catch any of that, so no, we're good to go now. Just got it installed. Again, very clean. I like this sequential look. It's much brighter. No more chrome. Again, these are the 3rd gen mirror blinkers from Mid-Atlantic Off-Roading Company. Go check them out. All the information will be linked in the description below, and you'll be surprised how inexpensive these are. Again, code WICKEDOVERLAND will save you some money at checkout, so go get yourself a pair of these, customize your ride, make it look a little bit cleaner. I'm very happy with these. We'll get some shots of this tonight when the sun goes down, just to see how much brighter they are. Alright, the same way it came off, put it back on. Be gentle with the clip here in the center. I like to line that up first. There we go. It's all nice and tight. Alright guys, thank you for stopping by and watching this install video. I know it was quick and easy. Great product, high quality. They look super sharp. Can't wait to see what these things look like at night. Again, if this was helpful, please smash that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more. Subscribe if you want to see our 2021 adventures. We got a bunch in store for you. We're going to be out on the trails. We're going to be out exploring. We're going to be out camping. And we are going to be doing a cool surprise for a nonprofit around here. So if you guys want to help me raise some money for this nonprofit that helps veterans and law enforcement officers struggling with PTSD and disabilities, please go check out my store, link in the description. Purchase yourself a sweatshirt, purchase yourself a hat, t-shirt, or get yourself a hat. All that's linked in the description below. Find me at wicked_overland on Instagram for more. We're going to be raising money for some nonprofits.